Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechInfoBoost. Today we are going to see unboxing of Tagg Inferno wireless Bluetooth headphone. So what we get from the company, it has built microphone, IPX4 flash proof, noise cancellation, stereo music, compatible with Android and iOS, and good carrying case. As per the company, the music play time is 7 hours, talk time is 8 hours, standby time is 150 hours, charging time 2 hours. Now see what we have in this box. This is a user manual of Tagg Inferno. If you look at this figure, we can easily find out which buttons are for what purposes. This is a carrying case. It is quite tough and it is going to protect your headphone when you are carrying it. Finally, this is a Tagg Inferno headphones. I really like this design and they're compact. I'm wearing this when I'm having my morning walk. It won't get fell down. This is a charging port. We have to use it when the headphone get discharged. Now see what we have. This is a charging cord provided by Tagg Inferno. This is a extra earbuds. As per the our compatibility, we can use it. I really liking this carrying case also. It's really good. Let's see where we have to connect this port to get the Tagg Inferno charge. We have to insert this in this port. And another terminal is going to be inserted in USB port. That might be your laptop USB also. These are the volume controls. If you press this plus sign, is going to increase the volume. If you press the negative sign, then it's going to decrease the volume. So this we get when we unbox this Tagg Inferno. I'm using this from last 8 to 9 months and I'm really happy with this product. It is quite compact. The voice is also very clear. It is also having call button, so we can easily receive call and end our calls. Enjoy hand-free calling on the go. In description of this video, I have provided one link. Using this link, you can get your own Tagg Inferno if you are planning to buy wireless Bluetooth headphone. Then just click that link in the description. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you get notification for my new videos.